Hey everyone, we're almost done with the publishing process. You just need to select when, where, and how you want to distribute your title. So today I'll be showing you how to select locations and offer types. Remember, we chose English metadata language, so we're only able to publish to the US and UK. The territories listed here are based on the metadata language selected when creating the title. So if you wanted to publish to Germany or Japan, you need to go back to your videos and create a new title entry with the metadata language that corresponded to your desired publishing location. Here you can see the different offer types available for your title. Choosing Prime is a great way to increase exposure, as it allows anyone with a Prime membership to view your title for free. If you select this offer type, you're paid out based on our customer engagement ranking. See our customer engagement ranking support page for more information. You can select multiple offer types for a single title. Choosing buy or rent allows you to select pricing options and allows you to earn 50% of the net revenue for each purchase or rental. See our royalty information page for more details. If you select buy and rent, you can choose between preset pricing and custom pricing. Not only do you get to select how you offer your title, you also get to select when and where it's offered by checking the corresponding territory boxes. You can choose to make your title available as soon as possible, or you can click there to select a specific date. If your title is approved, it will go live at 12 a.m. in whichever time zone you publish from, on the specified date. Once you've selected the right distribution options for your title, click Save. And then click Publish Update to send your title to review. Make sure each of the previous tabs has a green check mark. The Publish button won't be available until all tabs are completed properly. Reviews usually take around 4 business days, but any errors found during that process can delay timelines significantly. To help avoid issues, we recommend submitting titles 2 to 3 weeks in advance. Click Publish once you're ready. Alright, our title has been submitted and we're one step closer to publishing our content to millions of Prime customers. Note that all content is made available at the sole discretion of Amazon. Decisions are final and may not be appealed.